Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and in today's video I am going to be reviewing Parakeet slimes. So I bought from her on Father's Day when she had her buy two get two free for her Father's Day sale. Because of this I was able to save so much, like $20. I paid in total for four slimes. I paid $37.68. This package also took 2 days to arrive. We do live in the same state, so I do kind of feel like that also influences on the shipping and the in transit days, but it came really fast. When I opened this box, I was so amazed on how it was packaged. It was filled with packing peanuts, which is a good way to keep it secure. And I liked how she included a Mott's gummy snacks rather than the hard candies like Skittles, Smarties that other people include. I do like hard candies, but I feel like the Mott gummies are more healthier and just better. So as you can see, she provided a slime care card, which is super cute. I like the three parakeet birdies and the candy, obviously. And then taking all those packing peanuts out, you can finally see the four slimes that I ordered. Okay, so the first slime is Rainbow Sherbet, which is a cloud cream texture. Look at the colors, so pretty. I'm so happy that the colors did not mix during shipping. Yeah, the labeling is so cute. Then we have Oreo Milk, which is a thick slime, and it actually does look like Oreo milk, like so cute. And then we have Orange Creamsicle, which is another cloud cream, and also did not mix during shipping, which I'm super happy about, so you guys could see the whole mix process. Lastly, we have Lavender Milk, which is another thick slime. So yeah, I bought two cloud creams and two thick slimes. LOL. Actually, those were the only four slimes still in stock when I ordered. So, but still, I love cloud creams, and I really wanted to try her thick slimes. And then we have Borax, which was all the way at the bottom of the box. So first up, we have Rainbow Sherbet, which, like I said, is a tri-colored cloud cream. I've never felt her cloud creams before, and oh my gosh, they feel so good. I actually am obsessed with them. Next up is Oreo Milk. This is a thick slime scented like Oreos, and it's obviously a good Oreo scent. It smells so delicious. I could eat it, but obviously I'm not going to eat it. It's really thick, and it makes amazing thoughts. Oreo Creamsicle is yet another cloud cream texture. It smells like orange creamsicle. It smells really good. I actually really like this scent. I didn't really think I would like it, but it smells really good. And I love the tri-colored orange and white. It's so cute and so soft. I love. And of course, we can't forget about Lavender Milk. She is a thick purple slime scented like lavender, which is an essential oil. I was pretty scared about this scent when I was ordering it, but smelling it actually is very relaxing and nice. I totally love this slime. I love all four of the slimes that I bought from Marissa, and I definitely will be purchasing from her again. So as you guys can see, all of these slimes are wonderful and I love them, and I definitely recommend you guys check out her slime shop. Thank you guys so much for watching, and guys, comment down below what other slime shops you guys want me to review, like, and I might buy from them. Make sure to subscribe, like, and comment. Thank you. Bye.